Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today I'm very excited to show you a 2024 Nautique GS20 that just came into our store at Rogers. 20-foot boat here. We have the Mystic White hull bottom, which looks really sharp on this boat. Since this is in the GS line, it's versatile for skiing, wakeboarding, surfing. So make our way to the swim platform here. We have a nice area to get in and out of the water. We have our surf pipe that shoots those emissions down into the water, and then our NSS or Nautique surf system. This is powered by PCM ZR4, 400 horsepower. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat, you can see here Nautique does a great job with their non-skid. You can get in and out of the boat in any direction that you look around without stepping on the upholstery. Here we have a couple of tow points. Good one here for doing some skiing, and then up here on top for the water tower for surfing and wakeboarding. Tons of storage on this boat. We have our subfloor ballast, but this is a great spot to put all your gear. And then our tower, this does collapse and fold down backwards. There's cotter pins on either side of the bimini top. You pull those out and it does lay down flat. It's perfect for storage and putting underneath the lift. And then we have our board racks here that do swivel and adjust. Tower speakers up top. It's gonna be JL audio and great sound quality across the boat. As we make our way inside, the Mojave brown interior with the Mocha non-skid looks really, really good, especially with the white exterior. Nice U-shaped seating back here. A great spot to hang out, relax, and enjoy what's going on behind the boat. And here at the helm, our race car inspired seat with our hotkeys up here, and then our link pan array. You're going to be able to adjust all your lights, your ballast control, surf left, surf right, all your audio. It's very accessible here at the helm. And ergonomically on this boat, when this is filled up with ballast, you have great visibility as well. Over here, more storage underneath the recessed glove compartment, storage underneath all the seats. On the GS line, you can see we have a nice wide bow. For a 20-foot boat, you have a lot of room to bring all your friends and family along for a great day on the water. Again, this is a 2024 Nautique GS20. It's here at our store in Rogers. Give us a call or come on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.